Hello everybody, what we have here today are my NSF approved 2-tap beer dispensers. As you can see, this unit right here is manufactured by us, Cooler Depot. Our certification sticker over here. Now, let's open up the refrigerator. As you can see, this unit will come with the CO2 tank, the hoses, as well as the connections for your beer tank. As well as the temperature control setting over here, left to right. Now let's give you the dimensions of this unit from the inside. The depth will be 20¼ inches. The length will be 29 inches. And the width will be 18 3/8. And lastly, let's measure the bottom shelf. The bottom shelf will be 7½ inches. Now when you do receive this unit, remember that this film right here protects the stainless steel skin of this NSF approved unit. So when you receive it, just peel off the film and you're good to go. Come back here, as you can see, this unit is NSF and UL approved. It will give you the information regarding the capacity, voltage, amps, and the pressure. You come down here, you'll see the compressor attached with the unit, as well as the 110 connection. Now lastly, this unit right here is roughly 21 inches. 25¼ inches. And 35 3/8. For more information regarding this item, as well as my other beer cases, as well as my beer dispensers, please log into my website, coolerdepotusa.com, or contact us for more information. Thank you.